You passed the civil service exam pero hindi mo pa na-claim ang iyong certificate of eligibility? Here are the requirements. 2 pieces, 1 by 1 ID picture with signature overprinted name sa ilalim ng ID picture. Ito usually alam naman na ito ng mga photo studio. Kapag sinabi mo na pang CSC application, alam na nila kung ano yung format. You also have to submit an accomplished EARF or the eligibility or exam records form together with the declaration form. Na according to the CSC website, you have to fill out or accomplish doon mismo sa CSC regional office. You also have to submit a photocopy of one valid ID and present the original ID itself during the application process. If you are a married female, the photocopy and the original copy of your marriage certificate. And lastly, certification fee of 100 pesos per copy of the certificate of eligibility. Ako, I remembered when I applied for my COE, nag-request na ako agad ng 3 just in case na kailangan ko sila in the future. By the way, if the application is being processed on someone's behalf or hindi mismo yung civil service eligible yung nag-a-apply para sa sarili niyang certificate, may iba pang requirements.